Hello everybody. Today I'm going to teach you division in digital root, and in my previous video you can see how you have to find out digital root. If you will not see the previous video, you will not be able to understand what I am doing in these videos. So before starting this video, please see my all previous videos on digital root. Only then you will be able to do these questions. Now see how you have to do this. As you see here, I have written division, and if you are going to divide any number, that will be your term. You will write down your term like this only, x upon y. See, in x, numerator can be anything, okay, numerator can be any number, but you see here in the denominator, see, when you will find out the dr, you will get on from 1 to 9, you will get any number from 1 to 9. Now what I am going to do is cross this 3, cross this 6 and cross this 9. We are not going to discuss about the cases of 3, 6 and 9. I am going to write down here also, okay. We are not going to discuss about the cases of 3, 6 and 9. Now you see, if you have got this 2 in the denominator, so basically what you have to do, you have to convert this 2, okay, this is x upon 2, you have to convert this 2 into 1, okay. How can you convert this 2 into 1? Now you see, if you will multiply the numerator and denominator by 5, what will happen here? I have to speak about this part only. Now here you will get 10, okay, here you will get 10. So what will be the digital root of 10? That will be equal to 1. And if you will divide any number by 1, so that will not make any difference. So in this method you have to convert this denominator into 1. Now you see, next example I am going to take with you. I am not doing 3, I am taking x upon 4. How can you convert this 4 into 1? Now see, if you multiply the numerator and denominator by 7, why we are multiplying this by 7? Already see, I have written here, if you have got 2, you multiply it by 5. If you got 8, you multiply it by 8. Because 2 5s are 10, you got 10 here. 8 8s is 64. So 6 plus 4 is equals to 10. So you will get 10 here. 4 7s are 28. 28. 2 plus 4 is 2 plus 8 is equals to 10. So you will get 10 here. So here 4 you will multiply by 7. So how will you make it 1? 4 7s is equals to 28. So you will find out the dr of 28, which is equals to 10. 2 plus 8 is equals to 10. So here the dr will be 1. Okay, so like this you have to convert this, okay. Now see, x upon 5, okay, x upon 5, I told you, you multiply here by 2, so here also 5 2s are 10, so this will be 1. Now in the next example, x upon 7, if you have got 7, x upon 7, so you will multiply it by 4 in numerator and denominator. So what will you get? 7 4s are 28, 28 is equals to 2 plus 8, which is equals to 10, so 10 is equals to 1. Now here one more question option. Now x upon 8, if you got 8 in the denominator, you multiply numerator and denominator by 8. Why? Because 8 8 is equals to 64, and 6 plus 4 is equals to 10, and then which is equals to 1. Like this you have to convert this. Now you see, if you have to divide this whole question by 41, so it will take a lot of time, but through digital root it will be so easy. Like you find out the dr here. Now you see, how will you find out? 7 plus 2 is equals to 9. You cut this. Now 8 plus 1 is equals to 9. You cut it. Now you find out 2 plus 4 is equals to 6. 6 plus 4 is equals to 10. So you will get 10 here. Now here 4 plus 1 is equals to 5. I told you, you have to convert this 5 into 1. Here I told you see here I told you you have to multiply. Okay, here I told you in this chart I have told you you have to multiply this 5 with 2 here and here also 2. So 5 2s are 10, here this will be 10, so which is equals to 1, here you will get 20. So basically you have got the digital root here. I'm going to rub it. What have you got the digital root? 2. Okay, here you got the digital root 2. Now you see, check the options which are given to you. In which option you will get 2. Now see, 9 you can cut here. Now 4 plus 3 is equals to 7. Okay, 7 plus 2 is equals to 9. So this also you will cut here. 1 is left, so 1. Now you cut here 9. Now 4 plus 4, 8 plus 1, 9. This also you will cut. So here you will get 2. In this option 9 is cut. Okay. 4 plus 2 is 7 plus 1, 8. 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. Sorry. 4 plus 2 is equals to 6 plus 1, 7 plus 1 is equals to 8. So here you got 8. So where have you got 2? You got 2 here in this option. So this is the correct option. Okay. Now look at this question. You have to solve it out. If you will divide this whole term by 82, it will take a lots of time. So we have to convert this into digital root. Now you look here, 82 is given here. Now if you will take out the digital root here, that will be 8 plus 2 which is equals to 10. So already you got 10 here. You will not convert it because already this is 10. Okay. Or already you have 1 in the digital root here in the denominator. You have to only solve out the numerator. So how will you solve out? 9 is cancelled out, 8 plus 1 is cancelled out, 7 plus 2 is cancelled out. So what is left here? This 3 plus 4 is equals to 7. Okay, now see, if you got 7 anywhere in these 3 options, so that will be the correct option. You find out where will you get. 9 will be cancelled out. Now see, 5 plus this 4 will be cancelled out. Here you will get 2. 9 will be cancelled out. Now 5 plus this 4 will be cancelled out. 6 plus 1, 7 plus 1, 8. Here you will get 8. Now 9 will be cancelled out. Now 5 and 4 will be cancelled out. 5 plus 1, 6 plus 1 is equals to 7. So you got 7 in this C option. Okay, you got 7 in this C option. So C is the correct option of this question. Now you see, I have discussed all the concepts of digital root with you: addition, multiplication, subtraction, division, and I have discussed with you percentage also and decimals. So now I am going to discuss with you how you can do the simplification questions in digital root. Now see, this is basically the problem of simplification. So how can you solve it out through simplification? Now this is the equation given to you. What is the equation? The equation is under root x plus 416 is equals to 60% of 920 minus 110. So first you find out this option through the digital root. Now you write down under root x as it is. So plus sign is here. I am going to write down digital root of this. See, 6 plus 4, 10 plus 1, 11. So 11. What is the digital root of 11? You will get 2 as the digital root. Is equals to sign is here. So I am going to put the mark of is equal to. Now bracket. Now make this bracket. Now 60%. I told you ignore the percentage. So this is 6. Now of multiply. Now cut this 9. So 20. So digital root is 20. Write down 2 here. Okay. Now minus 110. What is the digital root of 110? That is equals to 2. Now see, you have to find it out. You have to now solve this. So how will you solve it? See, under root x. Okay. Now plus 2 is equals to 6 to the 12. Okay. Minus 2. So what you will do? Under root x. Okay. Under root x now is equal to, I am going to write down. Now I will take this 2 on the right hand side. Now 12 minus 2 minus 2. So how will I do this? 12 minus 4. which is equals to, now this is, as you can see how I have to do this, 12 minus 4, but I will take the digital root here. So 12, what will I do with this 12? I will write down this 3. I will take the digital root of 12. Digital root of 12 is equals to, you know, 3. Okay, 3 minus 4. Okay, now I will do this 3 minus 4, which is equals to minus 1. So I got this minus 1. Now you see what will I do? I have to write down under root x is equals to minus 1. So if I will make a square here, okay, see here is the space, so I am going to write down here. So if I will make a square on both the sides, under root x is equals to minus 1. So if I make a square, this will be square on both the sides. Okay. So what will you get? You will get x is equals to 1. So I am going to rub it and I am going to write down here 1. What is the value of x here? What value of x have you got? You got the value 1. Okay, like this. Now as you can see here, you got the value of x is equals to 1. Now you find out in these options where can you find 1. See, 6 plus 7 is equals to 13. 13 plus 6 is equals to 19. So in A option you got 19. Okay, from 19 you can cut this 9. In A option you got 1. Now what is the dr of B option? Now see, 6 plus 3 is 9, you cut, so 7 is left. In B option you got the dr 7. In C option what have you got? 5 plus 4 you will cut because that will be 9, so 8. Now where have you got 1? You got 1 in this A option only. So you will tick mark this as the correct option. Now you see, this is the equation I have given you. 36% of 360 minus 46% of 250 is equals to x minus 92. And these three options you have to find it out. Okay, so you find out the solution. 36, so the dr is 3 plus 6, that is equals to 9. Percentage ignore of 360, so dr is 9, multiply 9, minus 46, dr is 1. 4 plus 6 is equals to 10, so dr is 1, into 250, dr is 7. Okay, 2 plus 5 plus 0 is equals to 7, is equals to x minus, now ignore 9, so 2. Now you see, this is the option. And I told you, see, 9 multiply 9, okay, 81. So dr is 9 here. So 9 minus 7 is equals to x minus 2. You solve it out. So 9 minus 7 plus 2 is equals to x. Okay. Now you see, what will you get x as? You will get x is equals to 4. Okay. Now you see here, I have explained you here, 9 minus 7 is equals to x minus 2. So if you will solve it out, what will you get the value of x? You will get the value of x 4. Now you find out in these options where will you get the dr as 4. Now you see here, 1 plus 6 is equals to 7. Okay, 1 plus 6 is equals to 7 plus 6 is equals to 13. So you got here 13. Okay, I am writing here 13. 13, but 1 plus 3 is equals to 4. In A option you got this 4. You got 4 in A option as the digital root. In B option 5 plus 4 is 9, cut, you got this 7 as the dr. Now here in C option 8 plus 1 is 9, you cut, so you got this 2 as dr. But we want the value of x as 4. Okay, already I have shown you. In A option you get 4. So A is the correct option. Okay. Now you see, this is a very good question. I am going to solve it out here. Now what is the question? 29% of 265 plus 23% of 435. Now this is minus, okay, so you have to subtract it, okay. Minus 8% of 242 plus 6.5% of 190. Now you look at this question. If you will do, just look at this question, so you will find it very difficult. Normally you will not be able to solve it so easily, okay, but if you will apply the digital root method here, you will find this question so easy, so easy. Like this you can't say that this question is easy. Like this is tough, but DR will make it so easy. You see how. See, 29%, okay, so this is in bracket, cut this 9, so 2, okay, of 265, multiply. Now find out the DR here. 265, so 2 plus 6 is equals to 8, okay. 8 plus 5 is equals to 13, so you write down here 13, okay. Now see what is written here, plus. Now plus mark is here, so you will make the mark of addition here. 23%, ignore percentage. 2 plus 3 is equals to 5, okay, of 435, multiply. Now you find out the DR of 435. 4 plus 5 is 9, so this is equal, 3 is left, so you write down 3 here. Now minus, because this minus sign is here, so I am going to write down the sign of minus here. Minus, see this is also in bracket, so bracket here 8, okay, ignore percentage of means multiplication. Now find out the DR of 242. 2 plus 4 is equals to 6, 6 plus 2 is equals to 8, okay, 8. Now plus sign is here, I am going to write down the addition sign here. 6.5%, I told you ignore percentage, ignore decimals, so 6 plus 5 is equals to 11, and 11, what is the DR of 11? 2, so you write down 2 here, of means multiplication. Now 190, find out the DR, cut this 9, so 1. See, you will not solve all this. In place of all this, you have to solve only this portion, okay. Now this portion is so easy for you to calculate. Now see, in bracket 2 multiply 3, this is 13, find out the DR, 4, okay, DR is 4 plus 5 into 3 is 15. See, 5 into 3 is 15. So what is the DR of 15? 6. So I am going to write down 6 directly here. Minus up 8 8s is 64. 8 8s is 64. So 64 you will do 6 plus 1. 6 plus 64. So you will do 64 na. So 64 में 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4 is equals to 10, which is equals to 1. So I am going to write down 1 here. Okay, 1. Now plus 2 into 1 is 2. So like this your equation is now. So you can solve it out. 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 6 is equals to 14. Okay, here you will get 14. So you can write down 14 minus this is equals to 3. 14 minus 3 is equals to 11. Okay, 14 minus, you see here, this is 2 into 4 is equal to 8. 8 plus 6 is equals to 14. So 14 I have written here, minus 2 plus 1 is equals to 3. 14 minus 3 is equals to 11. So what is the digital root of 11? That will be equal to 2. So basically what do you want? You have now these 3 options. Now you have to find out where can you find out the DR2. Now see, I am going to rub it. See, 2 is left here. I rub this portion for this calculation here. Now see, find out the DR here. Cut this 9. 4 plus 5 will be 9. Cut this. So 1 plus 1. In A option 1 plus 1 you got 2. In B option, what is the DR? 4 plus 1, 5, 9 cut, 8 plus 1, 9 cut. So in B option you got 1. C option, what is the DR of C option? 8 plus 1, 9 cut, 6 plus 3, 9 cut, so 7. Now you have got 2, 1 and 7. But here I have told you, you need the base DR2. In A option you got the TR2. So A is the correct option of this equation. Okay. Now see, again this is a very good question. This is not at all difficult. You will see this is under root here. Okay, under root of under root 2500 plus under root 961. This is so easy in through digital root method. Now see how will we solve out. First, this outsider under root we will write down as it is. Now if you will find out the under root of 2500, okay, you find out the digit and square root of 2500, what will you get? You will get 50. Okay, so in place of 2500 I am going to write down 50, and this is under root 961. Okay, this is under root 961. Okay, I am writing here 961. What is the under root? If you will solve this under root 961, you will get this 31. Okay, so in place of this 961, this is 961, I am going to write down plus 31. Okay, now I have to rub this. Now see, this is equals to, I have done here, I have solved this portion, I have solved this portion, and whole in the under root is equals to x squares. Now see, what have you got here? Under root 81 is equals to x square, and if you will solve out under root 81, okay, if you will solve out under root 81, what is under root 81? Under root 81 is equals to 9. Okay, you know, so x square. Now what have you got here? Okay, see, x square. What is the value of x square? In place of under root 81, I am going to write down this 9. X square is equals to 9. So what is x? So x is equals to 3. Now what is the value of x? X is equals to 3. And you see in B option you have got 3. Okay, if you will see this 81, this is not correct. Okay, don't tick mark 81. No, this is not 81. Okay, 81 is not the correct option. See, this is in under root. And all of you know, if you will solve out under root 81, what will you get? 9. See, in this question only, the thing you have to take care how you will find out the under root. Okay, if you will be able to find here, you have to find out the value of under root 81, you know that is 9. And here, you see here you have to find out the value of under root 961, that is equals to 31. And here you find out the value of under root 2500, that is equals to 50. So you find out the value of under root and just put it, and this is so easy. Okay. Now you look at this equation also. This is also very easy. This is also very easy through the digital root method. This is not at all difficult. If you will find out this through digital root method, you see, find out the DR here, 99. So 99, only 9 you will write down here. Okay, multiply sign here, so multiply sign here. 2 plus 1 is equals to 3. Write down the DR here, 3. Now this is cube root of x. Okay, so I will write down minus x ka cube root. Okay, this is the cube root of x. Cube root of x, so I have written here as it is. Now you find out the DR here. 9 is cancelled out, 8 plus 1 is cancelled out. This is equals to 6. Now you see, you have to just solve this. Okay, so if you will multiply this, okay, again you will get 9 here. Okay, 9 up 6 is on that side, so you bring 6 here. This side is equals to, and this under root cube root of x will go on the right hand side. So sign will change here, cube root of x. See, this is equal to, I have brought this 6. this was positive here, now this is negative here, is equal to cube root of x. So is equal to side is here, so I have taken this, so this is now positive. So you can now solve it out. So 3 is equals to cube root of x, and see what you have to do now. Okay, now you got this. 3 is equals to, see this 3 is equals to cube root of x. Now you just take the cube root. Now you see on both the sides I am going to multiply it with the third power. Okay, now here this will be equals to x. Okay, now this is 1 by 3, so 1 by 3 here into 3, this will be cancelled out. Okay, so what is the value of x? 3 to the power 3 is the value of x. Okay, so here now you see here x is, your x is equals to 27. So okay, what is the value of x? When you will find out the dr, what is the value of x? X will equal to 9. You find out where will you get 9. 6 plus 3 will be cancelled out. 6 plus 3 will be cancelled out. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 1 is equals to 9. Okay, now I am going to rub it. Now see, in A option you got 9. Okay, check B option. 6 plus 3 9, 4 plus 5 9, cut this. 8 plus 2 is equals to 10. So in B option you got 1. In C option 4 plus 5 9, cut this. 8 plus 1 9, cut it. 7 plus 1. In C option you got 8. So where are you able to find x equals to, you need now 9. So where you are able to find out this 9? In A option you are able to find out this 9. So this A is your correct option. You see this A. Okay, this is your correct option. You can tick mark here. Okay. And now thanks for watching this video. But if you have to understand this properly, please see my part 1 and 2 also. Then only you will be able to understand this full concept of dr. Thanks for watching. Thank you.